He noticed his dog barking at the hallway every night around 1 a.m., always staring at the same empty spot. One night, he set up his phone to record, hoping to catch whatever was triggering it. In the morning, he checked the footage. For the first few hours, nothing happened. Then at 1:03 a.m., his dog sat up and stared, frozen. A few seconds later, a shadow passed across the hallway wall. Tall, human-shaped, but no one was there. Just before the video cut off, a whisper was heard from the phone's mic. "He sees me now. Follow for more."